This recipe helps remove wrinkles and egg spots on the face naturally. Surely, to get rid of wrinkles and egg spots, a lot of people have bought those cosmetics that claim to be helpful in dealing with wrinkles and egg spots. But there's a really effective natural remedy for getting better skin, no side effects, no high costs. With this mixture, in only a short time of use, you can eliminate wrinkles and egg spots completely and have a fairer skin without your skin exposure to chemicals. The first and also the most important ingredient of this mixture is vitamin C powder. Vitamin C has proven to help repair sun damage, build collagen, maintain healthy skin, brighten the skin, and especially eliminate wrinkles and egg spots effectively. Take a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of vitamin C powder. Then add 1 tablespoon of distilled water. Only use distilled water, not use filtered tap water or flame tap water. This is because the high oxygen levels in tap water can break down the ingredients faster. Mix these two ingredients together until the powder is completely dissolved. Avoid a grainy mixture. Next, add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel helps increase collagen production for your skin. The more collagen your skin has, the fewer wrinkles. Moreover, the gel is loaded with essential nutrients and vitamins such as E, C, and A that nourish and heal damaged skin and return a degree of elasticity to it. Next, add 1/2 tablespoon of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is an important antioxidant because it helps inactivate free radicals, making them less likely to cause damage to the skin and reducing wrinkles in the skin. All necessary ingredients have already been in the bowl. Mix well until they form a smooth mixture. You can store your mixture in an amber bottle in a place with minimum light exposure. Here is how to use this mixture to get rid of wrinkles and egg spots. Before you go to bed, wash your face with warm water and use some toners. Then, take a small amount of this mixture and apply it on your skin, especially focus on areas with multiple wrinkles, such as under eyes, forehead, around your mouth. If you have sensitive skin, you can dilute this mixture with water before applying. Then you go to sleep and always remember to remove it in the morning. Otherwise, due to sun exposure, it can cause sensitivity. Repeat every 2 days and then slowly start using it every night. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.